Next is the plot. So select on plot, then create a new plot. So here we want to start the creating of the cartoon, the background, everything. So firstly, use the what you first see here represents the scene. That is, when I tap on the first icon you see there, that's the scene. The second one is the voice. I will explain everything as we are proceeding. So firstly, once I type on the scene, it brings out something like scene. I just want to confirm if I'm still recording this. Okay, so now click on scene. Then once I select the scene, it asks me, you hold on for it, let it load the backgrounds for you. Are you with me? So you have varieties of them. Like this one, I haven't downloaded it. Like I said, you might not be allowed. Majority of what you see me using here, you might not be able to use it because you are on a free package, but I rest assure you have a lot of backgrounds to use. Are you with me? So let me look for something what I want to do. Let me look for okay, something like an uneven moon, maybe a guy, Fred, and a lady, maybe having, okay, let's pick love boat. So you want to create something about love, you understand? So then now you notice character. So you are asked to select a character. It means among the character you've created so far, you are asked to select. Do you get it? So once I click on the character, then it will pop out varieties of one I've created. You notice Fred was the recent one I just created. So when I click on him, because I want to make use of him, then it requests me to upload another character. Are you with me? Though there are some background, you cannot upload two characters in one scene. Are you with me? So it depends on the background you use. So you can see Fred is sitting to the left. Then let me give a lady. Let me see. Pretty lady. Okay. Yes. Okay, red. Okay, now that is how it is. So it depends. Then you could change their position. That is, queen should, no, queen is sitting in the right. Should she sit in the left, or should first sit in the right, depending on your what, on your choice. So the next one is the shots. Yes, what you want them to say. So in this shot, you will ask, who do you want to talk? Who do you want to fix there to talk first? So once you click on the character, those characters you've inserted in the scene are those you could see. So you could see Fred and Queen. So you won't see other characters. You get it? So let me pick on Fred first. So now this neutral. This depends on the mood you want your character to be. Let me see. Let me make my character happy. At least it's with his girlfriend. You understand? So once you click on the mood, the mood changes. So now you could see beside this something like a microphone. It means you can use a voice record. Are you with me? And secondly, this means establish points. That is, you can make sure view them from far and trying to bring the camera closer to them. So you could try that. So let's start. Let me put that hi queen. Queen. Today I'm so happy. So like that. Now you want her to respond. So the next thing you click on the same chat again. Are you with me? Now you want Queen to respond. So the character, you select Queen. Are you with me? So you notice. So now don't forget the mood. You want her to be in the day in a happy mood. Yes, you should also be happy. Said Fred, I'm happy too. Although I'm not a romantic guy, you're clear. So let us. Are you with me? Okay. Let's assume Fred has been planning to kiss his girlfriend, maybe. So, and I think this is the right time to do that. So, you know how guys does. I love you. I do this. Let's say Fred. Okay, Fred. You click on the character, the sign, happy. I love you from the bottom of my heart. From the bottom of my heart. So like that. Now you could decide to play what you've written so far. So once you just forever you are just select on just tap on the upper part, yes, and select play.
Hi, Queen. Today I'm so happy.
Fred, I'm happy too.
I love from the bottom of my heart.
So you can see. Now the next thing now to do is let's make them kiss. So and that's when we have. So from the last part, from the last button are you with me? You make sure you click on it first. It should bring out a little bit, highlight it a little bit. Then now you know we've used the first one, the scene, the shot. Now the the third one that looks like a pen. It's actually meant for writing. That means if you want the character to write. So we won't use that one now. I want them to kiss. So let's use the one that look uh, like a fire. Is it a fire? The one beside the pen or the pencil. So let me select on that first. So yeah, on this part you now see it has character, act on another character. So I want Fred to propose the kiss. Are you with me? You know guys, we propose first now. So character, Fred, act. So what kind of acting? Although it has changed it to Queen. So kiss. Are you with me? Yes. So let's now see. So take it back, select this place like this, and press play.
Hi, Queen. Today I'm so happy.
Fred, I'm happy too.
I love from the bottom of my heart.
Isn't it so romantic? So yes, that's how to go about it. Then you can also decide that okay, she might decide not to kiss him. Are you with me? So let's look at it again. Let's look at the video again and see.
Hi, Queen. Today I'm so happy.
Fred, I'm happy too.
I love from the bottom of my heart.
Can you see? So that's how it is. Now let's move to the next one. So I select on that page that I am. Since I want to add another character, I want another stage or another scene or another attitude. So I select on the pen. Now let's see what the pen really stands for. It means you want to write a letter. Okay, let me say welcome to femtech studio. So at this point, what it depends. Did I want the words to just show like that, or I want someone to read that for me? Then I set on the voice. So now it depends. I always prefer the Android female to read for me. So let's see from the beginning again. So let's play.
Hi, Queen. Today I'm so happy.
Fred, I'm happy too.
I love from the bottom of my heart.
Welcome to Femtech Studio.
So you can see it. Now the next thing again, you might decided you click on where you are or where you. Now the next one is the bell. This bell really stands for music. Yes, a kind of sound rather you want. A crowd, romantic or something like that. So since they're in a romantic area, what I'll do is I want this to be in the front. So what I do is swipe it to the left. You could see a mark Rex, so I cancel it. I don't want to have it in that place. So they kiss themselves this time around. So let me change this one to kiss. They must kiss you. False they care and they will not kiss you. Don't mind me. So where was I? Okay, now since the romantic, so I select on the stage where they started from, select on the bell, so it appears as the one before they are shot. Now sound, crowd, romantic, so you could get more sound effects depending on whoever you want. So let's now see. Select your back and select play.
Hi, Queen. Today I'm so happy.
Fred, I'm happy too.
I love from the bottom of my heart.
Welcome to Femtech Studio.
So the last one now is music. Adding music. So let me click down here. Adding music to whatever you're doing. Let's see. Let me see from here. Okay, I want it to be under this place. So let me see. Add music. Or no, the point at which they kissed, right? I think that is nice. So add music, then music, happy, say happy music. So from here, let me just click from here and select play. So you select on that place where you want the character to start talking and select play.
Fred, I'm happy too.
I love from the bottom of my heart.
Welcome to Femtech Studio.
So yes, that is how it is, and that is all you need to know about the way you could draft. You could also add more scenes, like okay, maybe from here you take them at this point, you want them to move to another place, you add another scene. So the same way you start all over again, you pick a character. Oh, people are shouting, I'll get back to you, I'm coming. So you pick different characters and that's it. So the next thing to do now is, so I'm not buying. Okay, confirm your policy. This brand. Okay, I actually mistakenly click on a this thing. So what I now do next is cancel this one. So after perfection of your videos or wherever you want here, yes, okay, there's something I didn't mention. This camera of it in. When you click on the camera, bring out established shots. Yes, established shots means Do you want it to come from a far place, or do you want it to just be very close to them? So we established, so let it be from a far place, then move closer to them. And the next thing you now do is you click on this arrow that looks like a bucket and an arrow up. That means to export your video for editing now. So then you click on render and click on export with subtitles. Very good, so people can actually read what you've written. So now in this point, please don't make sure your phone is not off. Are you with me? It's very important. Make sure the screen of the phone is not off, or else it will not render, because majority of people are also having issues like that. They just leave the phone. So make sure the screen doesn't go off till the rendered finish. Then set finalizing videos 100%. So you wait for it. Now is the time. So what we'll just do now is to wait for it and click on save. So it will tell me that it is being saved. So your portal has not been saved. So that is that. The next one is for the editing now. So let's go to the editing.